Please pull over.
This is Control. Civilians report.
Pull over! Police!
Come, get up! Step, come! If you know what's good for you, you won't move.
This is Control. Attention all units. We have a report of in Fish Market South.
All I wanted was to breathalyze him. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. He's an evil man.
Attention all units. Suspect on foot.
That was a red light.
Pull over to the side of the road.
Holy simoleons!
Doesn't anybody know how to drive today?
Kinda tied up right now. You realize this isn't the bumper cars on Firefly.
That's what I thought.
You got any ID on you I can look at?
Yo, cop, take it chill, man. Doing a traffic stop.
Thanks.
Jeez. Well, she already failed the drug test, so she's gonna be going to jail. So.
Step out of your car and put your hands on the...
This is Control. I need assistance for dangerous driving on Albany Avenue.
Move that thing! You're under arrest, you freak!
Turn around.
No way!
What the hell's my dog doing?
You'll be sorry when I'm famous!
Where's my dog?
This is Control. I need a unit for suspicious activity on Diamond Street. Assistance required for a drunken disturbance on Columbus Avenue. This is Control. I need a unit for an officer in need of assistance. This is Control. control. We have a report of a criminal fleeing a crime scene. This is control of available final alarm.
Alright, so we're responding to a burglar alarm right now. Our objective is to get there as soon as possible and stop the suspect.
Place your hands on top of your head so I can frisk you.
Suspect headed west.
That's what I
on
thought.
4th Street on
If I
4th.
take a bullet to the back, I'd give up too. What is my dog doing?
Okay, you can go. Just
Move and your head's in pieces.
hands behind your back.
Just lost all my graphics, all my textures, because my dog decided to run off. And I called for a prisoner transport, so here's what we're gonna do.
No way!
I get a wanted level? What is this crap? What? I get a wanted level. What?
Required in Western Middle.
Oh my god, you've gotta be kidding me. I'm a cop! What is this crap? What on earth? I didn't do anything. Now I'm doing something though. Oh my god. Okay, so I honestly don't know what's going on. Let's just say that I'm more than confused right now. I've seen this only happen on one channel, and it was Steve Trackboys. And it was a 95. I didn't know what 10.D would have it too. So apparently if it crashes... Yeah. Okay, so we're not responding to any more burglar alarms. Oh my god, this is getting ugly. So I'm just gonna finish murdering these cops and then I'm gonna end the video. I am a cop and I am being told right now that I am wanted. Oh, shit. Well, you guys have a great day. I don't know what the hell's going on.